Hi, it's been a while. I'm back. We're going to download Anaconda today, and after that we're going to set up Jupyter Notebooks. So let's get started. I'm here at the Anaconda download page. I just searched Anaconda download. There you go. So you can just click on that and you get here. We'll just take it. There we go. Click on the download Anaconda now. Scroll down a little bit and you will find the different versions. I'm going to go with the 64-bit for Python 3.6. So I'm going to click on that and save the file. Okay, it's finished, so we're going to double click here. And it comes up with your installation wizard. My Norton tells me it's safe, so we can go to next. I just go through and use the defaults. Okay. It never said not recommended before. I've always just had the installation added to my path. So I'm going to try that. If we have problems later on, I'll be the first to let y'all know, okay? So this should take a few minutes, and I'm going to pause while it's installing. Okay, it's complete. It actually took about 10 minutes on this system to load in the full Anaconda. And we can go ahead and hit finish. Okay, I'm down here in my program, so I'm going to find Anaconda. Here we go. I'm going to put the navigator for Anaconda and the Jupyter Notebook on my taskbar, and also the command line prompt. Okay, now we can go back up here to the desktop. And we have our prompts here. So we can click on the Anaconda prompt. And by the way, the Anaconda Cloud, you can sign up for. Private plans start at $7 a month. Public projects and notebooks are always free. Look around there. The gallery is always a good place to start. You can get lots of great ideas. Also on the support, it's a subscription support. However, if you keep scrolling down, you'll see here, and you have community support options. And these are free. The documentation, the community support, and the Anaconda blog. So, and they're also full of good information. Okay, now we are waiting for Anaconda to start. Okay, first you get this window, help improve. I usually say okay and don't show again. And here we have our home page. And as you can see, there are a lot of tools that are already here. Let's go ahead and just launch our Jupyter from Anaconda. So now that we've launched Jupyter Notebooks from our Anaconda navigator, it brings us to our directory tree for our local computer. So that is the way. Now back in Anaconda navigator, if you go to environments, you can see exactly all the packages that are uploaded